To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, tap on your profile picture or name to access your profile. Below your phone number, you will find a new update called Links. If you don't see this option, update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Now tap on it to proceed. Then, tap the plus icon next to Instagram. Enter the Instagram username you want to add to your profile. Then tap the Save button. You will receive a notification confirming that the link has been successfully updated to your profile. You can also manage who can see your links by tapping on Privacy Settings. Next, choose who can view the links on your profile. Now, go back, and your privacy settings will be updated. From now on, the selected audience will be able to view the links on your profile. So that's how you can add and manage links on your WhatsApp profile.